Hey guys,
Welcome back to our channel.
I know it's been a while, but we're back.
Yes, and my name is still Ehi,
Mine is still happy.
and this is still the Happy Ehi After channel.
Yes.
And we are back with a bang. We are back. We're bringing you to one of Ottawa's nice events and special events. And so I don't want to let the cat out of the bag before you watch the video, but it's going to be nice. It's going to be something very interesting. It's an event that happens every summer at the end of summer here in Ottawa, specifically the Barrhaven area.
Yeah. And this, like many other events, it's just chilled, calm, something to consider doing, just taking your family out and just, seeing what's out there.
Yeah, and let's hope we can catch some people to feature in this video, but we're also here to just experience it and enjoy it for ourselves.
Cheers.
See you.
Our own copy makes it to the Classic Car show. Oh, look at this bad boy. Look at that. Ooh. Dominic Toretto. We got more over here. Shiny.
I didn't know you have a classic car.
Picture me rolling in my car.
This is what I'm truck bearing. Let me go and capture more contents. Let you love go back. Oh, Chevy. Vespa.
So as you can see, we are at the Barrhaven Classic Car Show. Check out this very nice Mercedes behind me. I'm sure there are still many people in Nigeria who own amazing classic cars like this. But this is an annual show that lets people, gives them something to do and encourages them to take care of these classic cars, because once you lose these cars, you never get to see them anymore. Some of these cars should be in a museum somewhere. But
What's the oldest car you've seen today?
I saw a car from 1929. Can you imagine a car manufactured in 1929 and it still runs in 2024? That's amazing. The only thing missing here is the cars that were pulled by horses. Yeah, maybe we should have something like that here. But it's so nice. They are cute. There are some cars I can lift up by myself, like that one over there, looking so cute.
Which one can you lift?
I'm pretty sure I can lift up that red and black car. I can lift it up myself. So it's not just us, right? There are other people we know who also enjoy events like this. Like our friend here, who is also enjoying the classic car show.
Hi, this is Martin. I am down for these cars. I've been crazy about cars since you can see Jack. I've seen Cadillacs here. I've seen Corvettes. I've entered a Pontiac 1932. I can't wait to own one. I tried to price one. They said it will set me back 100 grand. That's small change, right?
Yes.
So next year I'll be pushing one.
Yes. Which one was your favorite? No? Which one? Ooh, what's the name of those ones?
The Pontiac.
Pontiac.
I
Okay.
think the 2007 model.
Let's go and check it out.
There's a pretty lady called Lynn. She owns it.
Oh, nice.
Causing trouble, Roger?
Shares 1957, Bel Air. Owner,
I'm sure this guy is older than you.
yeah, 1957. Of course, it's older than my mother. These were the cars Chuck Berry would roll up in after making a record. These were the cars of the day. I'm even afraid to touch it because many of these parts are not replaceable, right? 1957. That's the Volkswagen Vespa, used for public transport buses in Lagos. Go to Lagos.
Which one?
Cars,
The VW?
exact model.
Really?
Vespa. It's the most famous public transport vehicle in Lagos, Nigeria.
We need to find out which year.
Yeah, we need to find out which year. Come, let's. So this is the Westphalian Paragon. It's 1985. 1985 Paragon. If you go to Lagos, you definitely see this public transport, repurposed with more seats inside, but definitely a Lagos car. What is your name?
Rick.
Rick.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm rolling.
Okay, so I'm here with Rick and his 1929 Dodge Brothers. If this car was manufactured in 1929, it means it has seen at least one World War. Okay, not the First World War, but shortly after the First World War.
And the Depression.
And the Depression,
Yeah.
and a whole lot of other things.
Yeah.
So, Rick, how long have you owned this car?
About 3 years,
3 years.
but
Okay.
my father had it. It was my great-grandfather's car.
Oh, so this guy's been in your family for a long time.
Since it was brand new.
Oh, since it was brand new.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
In 2029, it will be 100 years.
Yes.
And we're already in 2024.
Yeah.
So in 5 years, it will be 100 years. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. And was it kind of like a family tradition to keep it maintained, keep it going?
No, my dad, it sat on the prairies. There's a picture of it.
sitting like that. So we own. My dad always wanted to restore it, so it never got disposed of, I guess. But it sat for 40 years, and he hauled it from Saskatchewan here to Ottawa, and he restored it.
Oh,
And now he's passed it on to me. He's still alive. He just wanted me to take it
take it.
while he can still help me with it.
Yeah, and I'm sure you plan to pass it right down also.
Hopefully.
So,
Yeah.
so I'm pretty sure there's a good chance this car will last another 100.
It's even got the hole for a
great
crank.
shape. Yeah, great shape. And you rode it here, right? So
Yes.
it wasn't told
Suicide door.
No,
So it still
Nice.
moves.
Nice.
That's amazing. That's
Yeah.
amazing. So it's amazing. It's from where we're from. It's we don't really get to see old stuff maintained like this. So this is like really, really, really amazing. And how long have you been bringing this car to the market?
This is my second year.
Your second year?
Yeah, and really, I've had the car for 3 years.
Okay.
So this is my second real year of doing car shows.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure this is the oldest car here.
It probably is.
At least one of the oldest.
Yeah. Although I was at a show yesterday, and it was the second newest.
What?
Yeah. There was a 1910.
19.
There was a 1916 or 17, a 1929 to one 1931.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's really nice. If there's anything like this in my country, it's definitely in a museum. Definitely 100%.
Have you gotten that offer to put it in a museum or something?
No, I have not had an offer to do that.
Maybe to go to our country for a museum.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria.
And I'm
Okay.
from Botswana.
Botswana.
Yeah. Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
Any-
Thanks for letting us talk about the car.
But anything, when do you ride it? Like, do you
I mean,
drive it
there's shows every month. I
Okay.
take it out for shows, and I just go out for little drives.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how to store it? Just in the garage?
Just in the garage. In the winter, it goes away in storage.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it easy to own this kind of car, or it's?
As long as it doesn't break down, it's easy.
Yeah, okay.
If it breaks down, then it could be work.
Does it happen often? The
No.
breaking down? No.
Thankfully, no.
No.
It's been good so far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't know if it's too personal, but like, do grandkids find it fascinating and stuff like that? Because
Well, I don't have any grandkids. My kids, a little bit. And
Okay.
I have a nephew who's really interested in
interest.
it.
Yeah, because I was looking inside, and I don't know how to do the readings, like the petrol gauge. I don't know where it is,
Oh.
because everything is. It's big screens now, and
Yeah,
this one is
that's
just
right. Yeah.
this one is just basic and simple.
Yeah.
And I don't
Extra tires.
Yes. Yeah.
and the wheel, is that wood?
Yes, it is.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
That has to
Yeah.
be
This
tough.
era of car, it was common
Mm-hmm.
to we could have wire wheels,
Uh-huh.
but this car it was wood.
And what's insurance like?
You buy special antique auto insurance.
Okay.
It's not very expensive.
Okay.
Okay.
But it also you can't drive this and go into a grocery store and leave it in the parking lot.
Oh yeah.
The insurance is not for leaving it in big box store parking
Okay.
lots. It's for coming to car shows.
Ah.
Very occasional use. You can't.
You can't make it a regular
No,
car.
I wouldn't drive it to work.
Yeah.
That kind of thing.
Yeah, that makes sense. 1929 Dodge Brothers. Amazing. I don't think I'll fit because
You're not going to break it.
Okay. Oh. The
Sorry, Dave.
oldest car I've ever been in. 1929.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Wow. Wow. What's the mileage?
It's probably about 190,000 miles.
190,000.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad. I wonder
Parents used it for their wedding.
Oh yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see
They
that.
had an arc welder in the back of the car at one point for driving it to farms to repair stuff.
Yeah.
It's been used all kinds of different ways.
And your great grandparents lived here in Canada.
Yes, in
Okay.
Saskatchewan.
Saskatchewan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
This guy's older than my country.
Yeah.
Older than my country.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you
My
so much.
wife is Jamaican. I don't know if they have any. I
Oh.
don't know how old the cars are in Jamaica either. You know.
So there you have it, folks. The Barrhaven Classic Car Show. Amazing cars, really, really classic cars all around. So if you're in the Ottawa area, look out for such car shows in your area. I'm sure your minds will be blown away. There are cars here that have seen 2 world wars. So you should definitely check it out.
This and like many other events in Ottawa, especially in the summer, are free events. Take out your family, walk around. There's also a section for like burgers and hot dogs.
And live music.
There's live music. You know, it's a chilled Sunday afternoon, so we encourage you to go out and check it out.
Till next time, this is still the Happy Ehi After channel. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share.
Yeah, and share.